Daddy born poor, mama was too. Walking through the snow, plastic bags on their shoes. Papa selling houses, sleeping in a car. Four babies in the backseat, underneath the stars. Well, hey, hey, just work a little harder. Hey, hey, punching that clock with work and prayer and a little bit of luck. Make so much money, need a 10-ton truck. Ha, 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 ha.
Hey, good afternoon. Paul McMann here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Monday, August 12th, 2024, about 3:30 in the afternoon, and we're going to do a live trading webinar where I show you one of our dozen different trade strategies to show you how simple and accurate our trading tools are, and to help you with your decision as to whether trading with our tools is the right thing for you. We're so confident in how well our tools and training work that once we've trained you, we'll let you trade with our money and split what you make. So it's a win-win for both of us. So with that, let's jump right in and see what we've got this afternoon. And we need to start by listening to this guy. So let's do that.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker. We make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
What are we going here? Why isn't this coming up? Hold on. Oh, here we go. That was weird. We teach with a number of methods. We've got webinars. We do these live trade sessions, or experienced trader comes online and kind of walks you through their thought process. And by watching what they do, you learn and can copy it. I do 3 live trades a week, this one, and then tomorrow morning at 6:30 and Thursday morning at 6:30. I also do, I send out an overnight trade setup a little after 4 o'clock. But when you become a regular member, we do live trades every morning at 10, every evening at 6, and then we've got lots of group coaching sessions. But the thing that really kind of differentiates us and allows us to make you a very good trader is that we've got this personalized one-on-one training. It's the most effective, efficient way to learn, where we can figure out what you know and what you don't know and make sure that you get what you need to know so that you can do this well. I have a little trade routine that I go through just to make sure I don't forget anything. And I do find that as you get older, your memory isn't quite as good. So I work off of checklists. Every day I like to restart the green chart or refresh the green chart just to pick up any updates and also keep the memory fast. At the end of every day, I like to go back over and figure out why trades didn't do what they were supposed to do on losing trades. So this is an essential skill, in my opinion, for getting better and eliminating your losers. Because with our simulator, you can go back to the specific time that you took the trade and see exactly what the chart was showing you, and see and pick up that, you know what, hey, this indicator was showing this. I shouldn't have taken this trade. We are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action. versus the news. However, we want to know what news events are happening so that we can trade around them. I found the best place to get that news is forexfactory.com. Forex Factory breaks news down into three components. Yellow, which is low impact, we ignore those. Orange, which is medium impact, I ignore those. And red, which is high impact. These are things we want to trade around. Tonight on the Australian dollar, they've got a red folder here on wage price index. Any trade that we take tonight should be done before this, but we'll keep it in mind if we come up with a trade on the Australian dollar. So with that, the trade I am going to do tonight is something called the 10-point trade. I've got a couple different strategies I trade with. And during the day, it's this one. I like to trade off of a 1 hour chart. On a 1 hour chart, trades are going to be worth 5 to 35 pips. And my sweet spot's 11. If I can't get 11 pips, I'm generally not interested in the trade. And the strategy is on all three sections of the chart is to get the lines to line up. So with that, let's kind of jump in and see what we've got, and I'll walk us through it. So the chart we're going to trade off of is the light 6 major. It's one of the standard charts. It's a composite chart. It's showing me 6 different currency pairs. On this first chart, they're all US based. And we start with the middle section of the chart, which we call the majors and minors. Red and green line is the major indicator. The black and gray line is the minor indicator. This horizontal red line is the oversold line. Horizontal blue line is the overbought line. So I am looking for situations where we are oversold and the lines are coming down. So here you see they touched oversold. Lines are going down. And we got 2 nice red candles here, which we would have been able to get 16 pips off of. That's what I'm looking for. So here we're oversold. We've got the minors going up, but the majors are going down. So I don't have agreement. I want all the lines going up. So we're going to pass. Here we're Euro USD. We're in the middle of the channel, and the majors have turned. Minors are still going up, so we don't have agreement. If I generally don't trade turns in the channel, I want it to be on one side or the other, and I'm willing to wait till that happens. Although sometimes on the Euro USD, if I see a turn in the channel, I might trade it. Here, the slope isn't good enough, and I don't have all the lines haven't turned. So for me, the signal isn't strong enough here. Pound USD oversold. Majors are going sideways. Minors kind of have run through the channel. I don't mind that the minors have run through the channel. On the majors, though, I do want the green line to be less than halfway. If the majors have run through it, that's okay. But I do care where the major green line is. Dollar, Canadian dollar. Minors have got the oversold. Majors haven't. So I wouldn't trade this. Also, not all the lines are going up. Red line is horizontal. Now it is. But on U.S. Canadian dollar, I generally don't trade turns. U.S. Swiss franc oversold. Everybody's still going down. Dollar yen oversold. Majors going down. Minors are going sideways. So nothing on these 6. I've cloned this chart and made 6 other pairs. These are non-US pairs. Let's see what we've got here. Euro pound overbought. Everybody's going down. And I have what I call the double cross, which is the red on going down. The red needs to be on top and the black needs to be on top. So those are my 3 points. 1, overbought. 2, everybody's coming down. And 3, I've got the double cross. What I don't like here is that the green line is a little, it's fluttering, going a little shy of, now it's okay, but it's moving a little bit, and it was a little shy of 45 degrees. Like to have the red line the green line at least 45 degrees. I also don't like that we have a kink in the line right here, where the back section of the line is more steep than the front section. I want it to be the other way around, that the back section be less steep than the front section. So that means that the kink in the line is getting steeper. Other thing I don't like is we're trading on a 1-hour chart, and you need to be sensitive as to what time of day it is in the pairs that you're trading. So in England, it's 5 hours difference. So it's a quarter of or 20 to 9 at night. And in Europe, it's going to be another, it's either going to be quarter of 10 or quarter of 11, depending on where it is in Europe. I want one of these to be active. And when one of them is active and the signal is telling me that there's a move there, I'm more likely to get the move. When the market isn't active, it takes longer for the move to materialize. So on Euro Pound, I'm not going to take this. And as I said, I don't like the steepness here. Australian dollar pound, oversold. Everybody's going down. Now, can I get like 11 pips on a turn like this? Yes, you can. It's just not part of my trade strategy. I'm a little bit more conservative. I'd rather wait for my trade than take a trade and it lose, because having to get back to break even from a loss is a lot more work than I want to do. Euro Canadian dollar, majors are sideways, minors are going up. We're in the middle of a channel, so I don't like that. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, oversold. Majors are still going down, minors are going up, so I don't have agreement. Pound yen, oversold. Everybody's going down, everybody's going down, so nothing here. Euro Australian dollar, overbought. Minors are sideways, majors are going up, and I got a little bit of a duck bill on the majors. Here's his bill. Here's his head. This usually means there's more up in the movement. So nothing on the second set. Let's go to another 6 pairs. Euro or Canadian dollar, yen, oversold, going down. So nothing there. Euro New Zealand dollar, majors are overbought, going sideways. Minors are sideways too, so no agreement. Pound New Zealand dollar, majors going down, minors going up, so again, disagreement. New Zealand yen, oversold, everybody's going down. New Zealand USD, minors are almost overbought. Majors are sideways. And Euro Swiss franc, oversold, minors going down. Majors kind of getting ready to go sideways. So nothing through 18 pairs. Wow. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, oversold, miners going up, major sideways. What I'm looking for again is I want either overbought or oversold, with overbought all the lines coming down, oversold all the lines going up. So I don't have either of that here. We're just about touching overbought, and the miners are going down, but the majors are going down, miners are sideways. Euro yen oversold, everybody's going down. Pound Australian dollar overbought, majors going up, miners going sideways. New Zealand Swiss franc oversold, miners going down, majors sideways. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc oversold, everybody's kind of going down. So we've just gone through 24 pair and we got nothing. We've got nothing here. I'm going to use a different strategy. I'm going to go to a backup strategy, which is, oops, where'd it go? There we go. This is a little scalp strategy, thick orange line. You can take it off the 30-minute or the 1 hour. I like to take it off the 1 hour. On the 30-minute, it's worth 3 pips. On the 1 hour, it's worth 5 pips. And basically what it is looking is what the position of the thick orange line is. Thick orange line is a scale number. There's 4 lines up here: the thick orange, the thin orange, the dotted blue, and the thick blue. And they're each capturing the speed of movement on the chart at a different rate. Thick orange is the second fastest, and it is scaled. So what scaled means is when this is as high as it can go, this number is at 10. If this number is at 10, it thinks there's no more up in the movement. If there's no more up in the movement, that's a good time to sell. And we can squeeze out a 5-pip move when we're at the last 5 minutes of the hour, and this is at 10. Now there's 2 parts to it. First part is at 10. So let's see if we can find one that's either at one end of the chart or the other end of the chart. So one end is 10, the other end is 0, and we can be within one point of either end. So we can go from 9 to 10 or 0 to 1. So 7 isn't close enough, 6 isn't close enough, 1.9 isn't close enough, 2 not close enough, 5 not close enough, 4.1 not close enough. So let's go to the next group. 5 isn't close enough. This is bordering on almost 9, going up and down. It can be within 1 of 10. So when this is up above 9, this is close enough. If this is at between 9 and 10, what I'm interested in is where the red line is on the major indicator. And I want the red line to be above the blue line. Right now, it's kind of oversold, and it's turning back. So I don't have the condition. I want the 2 parts of the condition: 9 and the red line up above the blue line. 3.2 not close enough. 2.3 not close enough. 2.9 not close enough. 2.1 not close enough. So let's go to the next grouping. I'm looking for 0 or 10 or within 1 point of either end. 4.6 not close enough. 3.7 not close enough. 2.8 not close enough, 4.6 not close enough, 2.9 not close enough, 4.4 not close enough. Let's go to the last group. No, 2.4, 9.7. Yes, that's within 1 of 10. But look where my red line is. My red line is oversold. I want him up here. I want him up here. So we're going to pass. 3 isn't close enough. 6 isn't close enough. 5 isn't close enough. 5.8 isn't close enough. Wow, we've just done 24 pairs with 2 different trade strategies, and we haven't found a trade. I've not found a trade. Join me tomorrow morning at 6:30, and hopefully we'll be able to find a trade then. Shortly after 4, I'll be sending out my overnight trade setup. If it stays the way things are, this is on a different strategy, but basically it looks as to it's off of the day chart, and it's looking at what the green line is doing. So the green line here is buy, buy, buy. If all 3 of these agree, we're going to take an 11 pip buy on the Euro USD right after 4 o'clock. But I am going to wait the 8 minutes because I want the clock to change. I want us to be in the last hour of the trading day. You see here's 1 hour, 8 minutes left. I want it to be in the last hour of the trading day before I go ahead and project this buy on pound yen. This is sideways. Green line is actually, it looks like it's going up a little bit. Horizontal to going up. So that would be a buy, sell, sell. So I don't have agreement here, so there's no trade here. And on the Bitcoin dollar, sell, sell, sell. All 3 green lines are going down. So if this stays after 7 minutes, if this is still going down, I think these 2 will stay. This is still going down. I would take a sell on the Bitcoin USD, and as we said, a sell on or a buy on the Euro USD. But I'm going to wait a few minutes and wait till we get to after 4 o'clock, so we're in the last hour of the trade. But that's a little bonus. You get to see it now. I will send out a video with the trade around 4:15. If you want to learn to trade, the best way to do it is find somebody who's good at it and get them to teach you. We're pretty good at it, and we're willing to teach you. In fact, we're willing to let you trade with our money and split what you make. So we're very confident that this works. We've been doing it a long time, 15 years. I myself have been trading for 5. It's been a lifesaver for me. I've done some things where I've had big wins and big losses, and this is one of the better things I've done. I think it'll be great for you. Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow morning at 6:30.